Welcome back to their best laptop setups video. This is episode number 31. But first, I want to give a huge shout out to @Tiff, who won episode number 30. You're getting a $100 Amazon gift card. Remember, we're now taking pictures of desk setups that have laptops in it or regular PCs. Feel free to submit them. Instructions will be in the description down below. But most importantly, if you're enjoying this series, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, as it does help out. Now, the first setup comes from Romy. He's from the US and he's a software developer, designer, and a creator. I really do love the fact that he has a keyboard on the wall. He's obviously a very creative individual, and this is his laptop desk setup. He is rocking a 14-inch M1 MacBook Pro, and he does have a big 32 LG monitor. And for his speakers, he has two white Edifier MR4 studio monitors, and his keyboard is a Royal Kludge RK100 mechanical keyboard. I think the Royal Kludge is probably one of the most popular mechanical keyboard I've seen in this series so far. He has an Ergomoor Sit stand desk, and then he has an M Audio Uber USB microphone, a Rode PSA-1 mic boom arm to hold that microphone, and then right above that monitor, he has a Vivo monitor light bar, a QGame Thunderbolt 4 dock, and an Arturia Minilab MK2. Overall, I like the setup. It's in a tight little space, but he does have a mirror on the right-hand side, which kind of makes the setup look a little bit bigger than it is, but I think overall, it's a very productive looking setup, and it looks very clean too. Setup number 2 comes from Anthony, and he was on a previous best laptop setup video, episode number 27, where he did win, but he's completely revamped his entire workspace and wanted to share the pictures again. Now, overall, I'm really digging this look. I think the most beautiful thing about this setup is not the actual desk experience, but it's the cable management. Like, this looks so good. Like, it's perfectly clean. I don't even think I could do a good job like this. Like, this is just perfect. The cables are not going anywhere. There's nothing hanging. It's all clipped. It's all tied. It just looks so good. But the desk setup is nice. It has a very warm vibe to it. He does have a lot of wood elements incorporated, plus his orangish tones in the background give off a very calm kind of mood. But once he turns the lights on, you get a better look of what the space looks like. It's very white, there's brown, it can go either way depending on the time of day. He's actually been working on a little while and sent over his CAD drawings to show us what he was thinking. And he is rocking a MacBook Pro M1. It's a 16GB model, and his desk shelf is from a company called Arc, and same along with his chair. Now, he is using a standing desk, which I always do appreciate. It's a regular standing desk from a specific local brand in the Philippines. His keyboard is, of course, a Logitech MX Keys, and his mouse is a Logitech MX Master. We always see at least one MX Master in every single laptop setup video. He has an Orbit Key desk mat. It's a black desk mat, which I think looks really clean. He has a McDodo 3-in-1 wireless charger, a Huawei 10-inch mate pad in case he wants to use a second screen or just kind of walk away. And of course, he has his PS5 on the left-hand side with black faceplates. Overall, it's a very clean and good looking setup. I love the overall vibe. I think he did a great job. Setup number 3 comes from Gerald. He's from California. He's a remote worker, and sometimes he's joined by his daughter, who pretends to be working alongside in the background. But I like the look of this setup, It's not like 3 pieces on your desk. There's a lot more going on, but it's still very well organized. It still looks clean, and it just feels different than your standard white setups we're used to seeing. I like the desk. It's a nice brown color. He has a wood shelf just above it to house his knickknacks, and it also allows him to keep more stuff hidden underneath so that it's not an eyesore when you're staring at the entire setup. He's using a 2021 MacBook Pro, which he has on a laptop stand, and then he has 2 speakers on the left and right, one with a plant on, the other one with a light. But I do like the fact that there's a window right behind him, which gives him some nice natural light while he's working here throughout the entire day. His keyboard is a mechanical keyboard, which he actually has a YouTube channel, which I believe he does a lot of mechanical keyboard tests. And then he has this big, beautiful LG 38-inch monitor, which just gives him a lot of screen real estate, and I think, just like he says here, enhances his entire setup. Overall, he has a few Grovemate walnut products that are integrated into his space. And then, of course, he has a CalDigit TS4 dock so that he can connect all his peripheral tools instead of having dongles going all over the place. Overall, it's a very beautiful setup. It feels very clean, and it feels very serene, or a place that I'd love to work at. Setup number 4 comes from Vega. She is from the Philippines. She is a medical doctor, and she used to have a setup that was submitted on a previous episode. And it was a crazy one. It was like a desk setup with a bed, and it was just really nutty to look at. But she's at a different place right now, and she's kind of reorganized her space and has submitted new photos. And I think it looks cool. You know, like this is a very clean but simple setup, and she hopes that a lot of people gather some inspiration from it. And look, you know, her stuff is nothing crazy. She's using an older Huawei MateBook on the right-hand side. It's an AMD Ryzen 7 3700U. And then she has this attached to a monitor. It's a BenQ monitor. Above it, she has a little light bar. She has a bunch of knickknacks that she personally finds inspiring or just add some color to the entire space. I do like the little desk lamp she has on the left-hand side. She's in a little nook, so it's kind of like her little space that's hers. It's not in an open area. It's just feels very comfortable, or at least looks very comfortable to sit in. She has other inspirational items on her desk, like wording that she finds motivating. She has different colors that obviously inspire her. She has a nice mechanical keyboard, which is from Rapu. It's the M300. And then she has some older Logitech Z120 desk speakers that she uses when she wants external sound. Obviously, you can see she's into gaming. She has an Xbox Series S on the bottom. And then she has her personal drip bear, which she personally made herself. I do like the fact that she's rocking a Lumos projector above her setup so that if she's ever in the background, maybe on her bed, she has a bigger screen to watch content on. So this setup comes from Boo, B-U-U, and he's a content creator and video producer. He obviously lives in Toronto, which is my home city where I live too, and there's the CN Tower in the background, so I have to showcase this. And he does have a video production background. He says he's been part of the channel since day one, so I do appreciate that, Boo. And look, I like it, you know, it's right beside a window, letting in a lot of natural light. He has plants in there, which I always appreciate. It's a couple of fake ones, but it looks like he has a couple of real ones too. But, you know, I like the wood floor he's rocking it on. Maybe it's laminate, but he does have a nice white wall, black desk to add some contrast. He has a pegboard on the wall just to allow him to organize his knickknacks a little bit easier so things are not all over the place. I always appreciate a good pegboard. But it's a nice setup, you know. He has a MacBook Pro on the right-hand side. He obviously uses this for his video production. Then he has a big monitor on the left-hand side that he uses to, you know, basically as a second screen. He has an iPad below, a little iPhone. He's obviously very embedded into the Mac ecosystem, but there is a Google Home Assistant on the left, or a Google Nest product rather. And then he has a Mac keyboard and of course an MX Master mouse. Overall, the setup looks to be very clean. He has a foot stand on the bottom to rest his feet or keep them elevated for better circulation. A desk on the left-hand side. I mean, it's a good, simple, clean setup. It's a standing desk so we can stay healthy. It looks good at night. And yeah, there's nothing really bad to say about it. Even the cable management looks to be in line. Thank you so much for submitting your setups, guys. I will be picking the winner in the next episode. If you are interested in submitting your setup, we're accepting laptops and PCs. Instructions will be in the description down below. Make sure pictures are 16:9. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.